Updating your business profile on OneDrive for Business is essential for maintaining accurate information and ensuring effective collaboration. Follow these steps to make the necessary updates. Step 1. Sign in. Access your OneDrive for Business account by visiting the OneDrive website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you are using the correct account associated with your business. Step 2. Access your profile. Once logged in, locate your profile icon or initials in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu and select View Account on My Profile to access your profile settings. Step 3. Edit profile information. In the profile settings, look for an option to edit your profile information. This may include your name, job title, contact information, and other relevant details. Click the Edit button to make changes. Step 4. Save changes. After updating the necessary information, ensure you save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the profile settings page and click it to apply your updates. Step 5. Verify updates. Once you have saved your changes, navigate back to your profile to verify that the updates have been applied correctly. Check that all information is accurate and reflects your current business role. By following these steps, you can keep your business profile on OneDrive for Business up to date, ensuring that colleagues and clients have the correct information. Regular updates help maintain professionalism and enhance collaboration within your organization.